big smile going.
There we go.
We going?
We're going.
So we got a pretty awake guy here. Not fussing too much. There's a little smile out of him.
He's a big man.
But I think we're learning a little bit with him.
Oh, look at how precious.
Wants to go sleep. Aww. See if he'll take his passy. Oh, grunty grunt. Here you go, buddy. Here you go, buddy. Okay, so there's the passy.
He's like, stop looking at me.
Face. Oh.
Daddy and his magic fingers. Yeah.
Doesn't seem to be working too well. He's all, oh, that's why he wanted his fist, not the pacifier. Oh, it's not working too well today. He was all about it yesterday. Tried to get it on video and he freaked out about it.
Yeah, he's camera shy.
Camera shy, nothing. He's had so many pictures taken of him.
Mwah.
Come here, buddy. You're fighting that girl? There you go. No, you're going to push it out. You're going to spit it out. Sure? Okay, now hold it in there. There you go, buddy. Just didn't like how you were laying.
Oh.
Chicken, listen. Grandma's gonna love this because she loves this, huh? She's gonna know what I was like. And she gets to see that I get you, huh? Yeah. Your hands can guide you.
Looks like his daddy.
Nice and fussy.
He's like, whoa.
Daddy got it. Daddy got it. What you being all shy for, huh? Look at you kicking. Look at you kicking till you get your toes. Till you get your toes. Oh, okay. It's okay, buddy. Here you go. It worked okay, but you keep spitting your fancy out, huh? Huh? You hungry, maybe? Maybe we should get a bottle going or something.